I'm so glad you brought this up. I'm going to play this video here now. This one is priceless.
This is a skull of a modern human, and this
is on X.com. Did you know Africans are the only pure humans on Earth? Other races have Neanderthal DNA. Let's play it.
This is a skull of a modern human, and this is from a Neanderthal. Look closely and you can see that this one has a slightly longer brain case. Most scientists believe that these are two separate species, and there wasn't much interaction between the two. But now we know there was interbreeding, and that all non-Africans living today are part Neanderthal. The researchers extracted DNA from Neanderthal fossils and compared it with that taken from people living today. They found that the DNA of Europeans and Asians is Neanderthal.
It's a very exciting discovery because it gives us really the first strong evidence that there was interbreeding with people like the Neanderthals. And it means that modern humans in different parts of the world may have slightly different mixes.
And the Neanderthal in me has always said Neanderthal. I stand quite corrected.
There are many jokes about people behaving like Neanderthals, but it seems the joke could be on us.
So what I shared with you was the speaker Nanya L, or Nanya Shavuel. His NowFact 248. The title is Carbon Beings / New Boons are the only pure humans. Neanderthal DNA is not human. Now, you just got all of the facts that he just posed through the video. Can you summarize the entire video that I shared with you from this speaker?
Sure. Here's a summary of the points shared in the video. The speaker, Nanya L, or Nanya Shavuel, presents the argument that carbon beings, which they also refer to as new boons, are the only pure humans. According to their perspective, Neanderthal DNA is not human, and this distinction is central to their argument. They claim that the Neanderthal race is a mix of Satan's seed and demonic crawling angels, suggesting a supernatural or religious origin for Neanderthals. The speaker also discusses genetic markers, particularly haplogroups, focusing on haplogroup E and its subgroups, E1b1b, E1b1a, EM2, EM215, and EV58, which are common in Africa and spread globally to Europe and the Americas. They claim that 90% of African Americans share the DNA of the Egyptian pharaoh Ramesses III, which they argue proves that America belongs to them. The speaker goes further to claim that these ancestral connections are significant, not just for understanding human history, but also because of economic consequences. They believe that textbooks and educational materials, especially those in high schools, need to be updated to reflect this new understanding of human ancestry. The central theme is that certain groups, particularly those with African lineage, are the original indigenous humans, and they call for a reclassification of different groups based on their ancestral origins. Let me know if you'd like to dive deeper into any part of this, or if you have any further questions.